Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
Bum, 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 bum. Well. Who is this, chat? Holy. What's going on? I think it might be time, chat. I think it might be time. I don't know about you guys, but the milli needs to be made. If the milli's not made by the end of 2026, I'll make it in 2027. But, chat, it's time to lock in, man. Let's start the stream. Let's get it going. In 3, 2, 1. Yo. Let's get it bomber clock going, chat. Holy shit. Look. Welcome back, everybody. What's good? Malenko, Danny, Weelu, Victory Settings, King Woods, Tony's here, Anil, Finnan. All the man are here. What's good? What's good? What's good? Chat. Dylan as well. Holy. Full squad. We're running full squads right now, chat. Listen. It's going to be a good day today, man. I'm excited for it. 'Tis the time. But it's a big day today, chat. First of all, before we get into the analysis, unemployment claims. Morning from America. What's good, Luke? Good morning across the pond. Yeah, man. So we have unemployment claims here in approximately 45 minutes. Should be good. I'm excited for that one. Everything Irie. All right, good. What's good? All right, so let's do the analysis, chat. Like I said, unemployment claims in 45 minutes, 1:30 UK time. Daily time frame pushing up a little bit here. After closing bearish previously. Kind of interesting to say the least. The 4-hour did close bullish as well. Kind of respecting this level though. You do have a level at like 787, I would say, that we've closed respecting, which is kind of interesting, a little bit difficult as well. But dropping to the 1 hour here, chat, what can we see? Well, I can see a rainbow. Now, I can see a quite clear level here at 37.90. Very, very strong level in terms of resistance. We've been rejecting off that over and over. But if you can see the hourly right now, obviously we have the mega bottom wick for some reason. It's 177 pip bottom wick. What the helly? But if we close back above 37.90, realistically, there's no reason that shouldn't take you up towards a minimum of 38.02, which is 120 pips, roughly. Right? Yeah. So, realistically, that's going to be our target 1. After that, if you close above, target 2 is going to be the all-time highs. If you do close back below here, which would be kind of strange, but if you did, you could look at some sells. But with this liquidity being grabbed right now, if you can confirm a bullish close here, I don't see why we wouldn't take a nice little position before unemployment claims. So realistically, if we can get that, that'd be great. Otherwise, we'll have to wait for the news. But like I said, the analysis is extremely simple right now. You've started to make some bullish market structure. You've started to grab some liquidity. Volume should come in soon as well. You got comics open in about 30 minutes. So yeah, man, a lot of opportunity here today, chat. Genuinely a lot of potential right now. Let me add this template. All right, cool. Chat. How you guys doing, man? How was your day yesterday? How was your day this morning? Anyone pull up to the London stream? Turn the music down. Yeah, all right, I got you. Did anyone pull up to the London stream with Mr. Tom in the Discord? If you didn't, what were you doing, bruv? It's ridiculous. All right. W stream. All right, glad to hear it. I wasn't there. Was it good? Had sales 70 pips. Nice, Willu. Was sound asleep. Sleeping on the job, man. Was in and out. Good stuff, Ewan. I knew you'd be there. I didn't know Tom was doing. Mr. Tom was doing London. Mr. Tom is indeed doing London in the Discord chat. If you aren't in the Discord, you need a wake-up call, man. Because, yeah, man, we just revamped the whole thing. Legit revamped the whole thing. Now, realistically, wait, let me close this. Yeah, realistically, it's going to be an incredible Discord from now on. Super valuable. But where is it? Yeah. So I said in announcements yesterday, Tom's basically going to start doing, I don't even know if it's like London streams. I guess they're streams, but I would say it's more just like a group call with you guys, you know? Just jump on, have a little chat. I mean, to be fair, you guys are the ones that are in the call. So, but there was like 25 people there. He's going to be giving away some funded accounts during it as well. Where'd you meet Tom? Cyprus? Nah, I found him outside a homeless shelter, actually. He was like in a really bad way. He was trying to sell his body for money, and I just couldn't let him have that sort of life. So I picked him up and decided to change his life. What's good, Jay? How you doing, bro? Tom's a bit of a waif and straight. Yeah. Too much of a pretty face for the streets. That's why I had to get you off there, mate, to be honest. He was offering his pink box to everyone, I'm guessing, to get by. Yeah, it was a sad story, honestly. It's a sad story. I couldn't let it happen. You know, I used to give him some change every now and then, a sandwich, but... Now, imagine, if that was an actual video where we took a homeless person to funded trader, that'd be crazy. Yeah, Dylan, exactly like that. Nah, I'm joking. Me and Tom went to uni together. And then we didn't talk for like a couple of years. Obviously, as everyone does with uni, you just don't talk to your uni mates after uni. I don't know why. And then Tom hit me up like, yo, what's poppin'? I see you doing this trading thing. Like, and then he asked me a few questions. Pretty sure he thought I was bullshitting. Then he was like, well, I told him he can come to Cyprus and check it out, and he did, and then there you go. And then when you started making some money, you came back into your life. Yeah, exactly. Kind of crazy, right? Like I was broke in a job, didn't see the boys for years. Start making some money. Ring. It's Tom. Oh yeah, bro, you trading? Oh yeah, okay. Do you want to teach me how? Nah, I'm joking. Tom joined the one-on-one. So like, obviously it wasn't like that. But yeah, man. So we moved to Cyprus. I'll let Tom answer that. Chat, 60 people in the stream right now, 12 likes. What the fuck are you doing, man? Huh? Yeah, I'm going to start getting really angry in a second. You don't want to see me when I'm angry. Now, I'm joking. Look, drop a like on the stream, though. If we get to like 40 likes right now, I'll do a little giveaway ski. Otherwise, if it's later, it's going to be more. By the way, I forgot to mention, but I've just put an announcement in the Discord as well. Chat, I'm opening 2 more slots to the one-on-one mentorship. They've been closed for the last like 2 bumperclart months. Now they're open. There's a bit of a UK community in Cyprus, maybe young traders. You know what? There is a UK community in Cyprus, not really in Limassol where I live. Where I live in Limassol, it's mostly the Ruskis and the small hat people. But there is a British community. I'm trying to start a trading community out here as well. Like I really want to get a large trading community in Cyprus. I think it'd be sick. Absolutely slopped all over your top for 10 mil. Crazy. 10k subs getting close is mad. Yeah, I know, bro. Chat, we've been going crazy recently. The support's been insane. I appreciate you all very, very much for that. It's been a mental one. Mr. Hasty, what's good? Yeah, we're coming close to 9.3k subs here, chat. So 10k by the end of the month. Oh, it's gonna be tight, man. We got like under a week. That'd be amazing. To be honest, you've really alerted me to Cyprus as a nice place to live. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't even realize how good of a place it was to live before I checked it out like just in January time this year. In fact, I was here January 5th or something. I don't know. But yeah, like I've been there on holiday with my parents like when I was a kid, and it was always beautiful. Obviously, Greece is always beautiful, nice weather. But I always just saw it as like exactly what I said, like a Greek island, you know, maybe good weather, good holiday destination. Then when I came here, I came to Limassol and there was like people driving around in like Uruses, Lambos, G-Wagons. And I was like, what? And then I looked into it and there was loads of trading brokerages here. XNest has their head office. MetaTrader 5 has their, or MetaQuotes has their head office here. It's like a really big business hub, but no one really knows of it like that. It's kind of crazy. I remember you going, I think with your girlfriend. Yeah, we went to look at apartments like ages ago. I promise you guys, I will get a good I'll get one good backflip in these vlogs one day. Yeah, man. The backflips have not been the best, I can't lie. Chat, by the way, yeah. You guys said you enjoyed the vlog, eh? I dropped a new vlog yesterday. Absolutely killer vlog. When is my iPhone gonna arrive, bro? I pre-ordered it and I haven't got it yet. This one. Chat, this vlog is an absolute screamer. Look at this shit. Wait, just watch the intro.
If you don't like something, change it. If you don't like your job, quit. If you don't have enough time, stop watching TV. Life is...
Chat, surely that's the intro of Dreams. It's an incredible vlog. Yeah, man, absolutely insane. Make sure you go watch that after the stream if you do enjoy vlogs like that. Chat, 70 people, 18 likes. Come on, man. If we're gonna get a trade today, Jerome Powell told me we literally need at least 50 likes. That's what he said. He's like, bro, I'm not giving you a setup unless you go ahead and actually get 50 likes in the stream. Want to know how the vlog could be better? With you in it? What's good, Mr. Bedge? That called Future Tune, what do you mean? Chat, I just noticed as well, we have another level here at 82. It's 37.82. Maybe if we close above there, we can get a position on the 30, depending on what it looks like as well. Bring the SG biceps push up over the likes. Yeah. The animated GIF thing. I'd had a few drinks and felt like I was landing them perfectly. Tom's not the backflip master, but to be fair, your backflips are better than mine. I wouldn't even attempt one. I'm not really, I can't lie, chat, to you. I wouldn't lie to you. I'm not really the most nimble fella. I'm literally like 95 kg, 6'3". I'm most likely not going to be pulling out a backflip like in the near future. 3782 is where I'm at my level. Yeah, it's a good one. Even to water. I mean, I would probably try it, but get a few bevs in me and I'll do it. Certified turtle. What's good? Discipline. Oh, you want to know the future song in the vlog is called Bad Bad Bad. How about skis? I'm sick of skiing. I love skiing, man. Not as good as you, Malenko, but you're the GOAT, so I don't know. Right, you're exactly a foot taller than me. You're 5'3". I expected you to be tall. But yeah, I am relatively tall, I think. I'll learn you how to do it. Oh, backflip on skis. Fuck that, bro. I would never do that. I would never do that. Bro, you're 6'3", you look shorter. Why do I look shorter? Everyone I stand next to, I'm taller than. Chat, this is interesting here. I think we might have some buys on the cards right now. I don't see why you wouldn't close up, you wouldn't push up to the top of the range here. But only if the 30 closes above this level, right? On a trampoline? No, I would do it in water only. Or maybe into one of those foam pits. Have a big spirit, I'm concentrated. Yeah, I hear that, I hear that. Good things come in small packages, eh? I don't really want to be talking about small packages, but there you go. Chat, 5 minutes here to the hourly close. Basically what we'll look for now is if we can get that 30 closure, what I'm going to look for. If I get a 30 closure like up here, target in the top of the next range, I think that's completely valid. Just don't like this no bottom wick. Maybe if we get a 30 close, bottom wick breaking this low and then continuation up. But to be fair, the hourly's grabbed the mega liquidity, chat. Like actually the mega liquidity. Could come up and take out Asian highs. But we'll see. There he is. What's good, Jar? Mr. X5 M Sport over here. Good shit, man. I want to see you and Tom fighting on that foam thing with like big square foams. We'll see who wins. Oh, that'd be hilarious. To be honest, I'd absolutely smoke him. Like there genuinely wouldn't be a single competition there. I wouldn't even be close. I've got 20 kilograms on him. I'm taller. I'm just gonna fucking whack him with the, you know, I know exactly what you mean. The little, it's like a bar and it's got two foam things on the end and you literally like, bro, he's getting smoked. That would be so fun. That is a great idea. You know what they have, chat? Chat, there's this beach club that we go to, right? I'd stand there, unfazed. You need leg strength? Yeah, and Tom doesn't train legs, famously, so there you go. Give it a go on the next vlog. Chat, you know what they have? There's a beach club that we go to, right? Called, Captain's Cabin, right? It's like probably one of the best beach clubs in Limassol. Or in Cyprus, I guess. Bro, but they have, like, I don't know if, it looks like this, by the way. It's fucking incredible. They have this here. And me and Tom, every time, we're like, all right, we should send it. I really think we should do this. A little scrap on there could be fire. Tom comes across so gentle. Yeah, he does have a gentle touch, I can't lie. Alright, chat. 3 minutes here. Let's lock it in. Let's lock it in. Can we get this nice little 30 close? Want to see a video from that? Yeah, that'd be so cool, bro. Pause. Whoa. Chat, I think this was all a liquidity grab to continue back up, right? I genuinely believe so. So realistically, if this 30 can close bullish here, how many cons would I need? Oh, I need to log in. Oh shit, I need to... Oh fuck. Now we're in a hurry, chat. I need to load up the Ninja Trader. Come on then, son. Log me in. Oh, my days. He's trying to dox me. GoPro on that? Yeah, it'd be sick. As I recall, the beach in Cyprus ain't the best. It depends which one you go to. To be honest, all of the beaches near me are incredible. Like, I think they have the cleanest water in all of Europe on the beaches. I think that's an actual fact. Which is kind of crazy. Sea's always warm as well. Actually, to be fair, the sea's been cooling down a little bit recently. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream, man. 75 of you in here right now. I'm literally giving you guys free trades, free education, all of this sort of stuff. So the absolute least you can do is drop a like. Of course it runs up before the close. Oh my days. Chat. New, quick, Apex copier. It's gonna be like 10 cons, I think. Yeah, 15 maybe. Bow, bow. Oh my days. All right, cool. I set it up. That took ages. Holy shit, chat. All right, hourly closing in 29 seconds here. I hate the sea, but that's because UK is minging. Sea in Italy, yeah. Seas in any other Mediterranean country is gorgeous, right? Chat, this is a nice hourly close here. To be honest, you've got so much liquidity being grabbed. The problem is the 30's just pushed up just before the close. That was kind of what I was looking for here. I don't think it's too bad. We need a top wick on the bottom wick, top wick on the close, bottom wick on the open. Chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this candle right now.
Order submitted.
Got a buy stop right here on the flip of this candle. If this flips, it realistically should drive towards the top of the range, right? 5 broke structure, broke back into the range. 5's making bullish structure, 15, 30, 1 hour. Minimum, you should come and tap here, right? So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here, chat. If it doesn't flip shortly, we've got news in like 30 minutes. So I would obviously try and get like, if it doesn't flip within the next 5-10 minutes, we'll probably delete, right? Oh, I forgot to click confirm. That would have been interesting. Oh no, it's just a TP, okay. On Apex, you can make like 1.5k max. For the consistency score, you need like, you want to be making like 750 max. Called it a month, we'll stick around. It was good, Raise. Yeah, good shit, man. That's not a bad idea, to be honest. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, by the way. Very important thing to do. What TPV? 801. Holy. Okay, chat, I got activated in this one. And the trade copier didn't work. Bro. What is going on with this shit? What is going on with this shit? It's gonna be fun again. Wait, let me see if I can fix this. What we'll do is this. We'll just re-enter. There you go.
Order submitted.
In that case, I kind of got a better entry, but still. See what happens here, chat. You should be flipping here, right? If we can flip and fill the range, or at least break this high, you should be good to go break even. What broker do you use? I'm trying to find a new one soon. Hang on, wait 1 second. Let me focus on the trade. Chat, if you flip, we should be able to drive here. Should expect us to see us pop through the range right now. I want to see us break this high. Like with the amount of liquidity you grabbed, you should be good to break that high now. Yeah, I want to see a pop here, to be honest. That'll put us 24 pips in profit as well. Pull up the magnet. The magnet's crazy work. We gotta love the magnet. Wait, 5 just closed here. Weird closure, to be honest. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. Yo, what are you saying?
Yo, mate,
Are you in this?
yeah, but bro, like when I entered, immediately it took 6 contracts out, stop filled, but then they're just magically back again.
This must be a glitch.
Yeah, but it took $6 off of me. There's no spread on futures.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh, there's commission though.
I've never ever seen that.
There is commission though.
It was like 6 of the contracts got filled,
Yeah.
but then it's given me them back again.
That's so weird. Chat, we're re-breaking the low here. To be honest, I would have gone break even, but I think most of you guys got filled in here, right? So I kind of didn't want to do that. I thought it'd be a bit unfair. Wait. All right, chat. Seeing a bit more drawdown here, but what that means is if we do decide to flip here, you should realistically see a nice little drive through. I don't know why it would need more liquidity after this bottom wick. We have 23 minutes till news as well. If we're in the trade before news, most likely what will happen is I'll manage the trade because I don't want to hold it through news. I think that'd be ridiculous. I think we were up by like 50, or to be fair, on this second entry, I was up by like, yeah, 16 pips. Kind of wanted to, like I said, I kind of wanted to go break even, but I knew you guys were probably in from the flip, so it kind of made no sense for me to do that. See, I'm a nice guy, man. 5 no top wick still. If this 5 flips, you should be good to drive. At least fill the range. Wait, chat, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? All right, chat, we're back to break even here. Interesting. So if this current 5 can flip, we should be good to drive here. Yeah, you did flip. All right, chat, once we break this high, I'm gonna move my stops to break even, right? One minute till a 5 close as well. Captain sinks with the ship and that? Yeah, trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Such a thing as too much liquidity? No. No, 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 no. We need to see a 5 closure above these highs, and then you're going to be great. You're going to be really, really great. All right, chat. Yeah, now this is going to be a risk-free trade here. Making this $0 risk on the trade. Stops to break even on that. Currently up like... What are we up here? 20 pips. I'm not going to close anything off right now. We also filled the wick, so you guys can go break even too. I'm going to just let this one run, to be honest. I'm going to just let this one run. I don't see why I wouldn't. This 5's closing above as well. So if you survive this 5 bottom wick, which you should, hopefully, then realistically, the next stop is the range fill, right? W's in the chat for the risk-free. How many PAs do you have? This was taken across 11 accounts, right? So we're currently up this much. This 5 should flip. Once it flips, it should rip. The flip and rip. We know this before, right? No real reason for this to come down all the way and grab more liquidity, right? It's grabbed so much. Now that you broke the high as well, or at least nearly broke the high, it's close enough for me. Like, you should just fill the range now, especially if this 5 can flip here. So let's see, chat. W's though already, chat. That feeling when you go risk-free, you guys know it. It's one of the best feelings in trading. Just got stopped out. Oh yeah, shit. A lot of you guys will be in from the flip. Hopefully, some of you guys got a better entry as well. I forgot about that. I might get stopped out too, chat. We might have the same fucking result. Yeah, there you go. Same result. Holy shit.
Order canceled.
Yeah, all right. Wait.
Order filled.
I did the same thing again, bro. Why would it do that shit? I did the same thing again, man. It entered me into cells straight afterwards. Tell me how that makes any sense. But there you go. It doesn't really matter. I closed out. Chat, if this flips and drives, then so be it, right? Listen, that's a break-even trade right there. Reason I went break-even is a multitude of reasons. First of all, we grabbed more liquidity, flipped, broke the highs. So that should have been the drive there, right? There's no reason for this to reject. Second of all, news in like 15 minutes, right? Yeah, I think it was too soon to move to BE. Nah, no way. I mean, if you got the flip, then yes. With my entry, unfortunately, which was down here. I mean, not unfortunately, but I was 22 pips up. I had to go break even there. Rebroke the high. There's no reason for me not to. And like, guys, I would have managed to trade differently just because you guys got a better entry, but like, there's $1 million in funding on the line here. I'm not really trying to risk that just to be like a little bit nicer, you know? Like, I love you guys, but I'm not trying to do that. So we have news in 17 minutes. Don't pip and dip on the stream, man. Like, we've literally got news coming out. Let me add this to trades taken. Oh, another gold bias break even. It's already there. And then we'll be looking for trades after news, right? Because we wouldn't have held that through news anyway. And to be honest, if we didn't go break even, you would have been in drawdown right now. And before news, I would have been closing off. So one of them ones, right? Chat, it was the right decision all around. Make sure you drop a like on the stream, by the way, chat. If you do want to catch these trades with me for free, well, not all of them, but if you do want to catch trades with me and the community and with everyone in there, go join the Discord. Completely free right now, chat. I made this channel, by the way. I don't know if you guys saw it. I think after I get my first payouts, or not first payouts, but my first payouts on this round of funding. So after I secure my money back on Apex and Top Step, etc., I'm going to run a free funded challenge. So I'm going to buy an evaluation with you guys, and then I'm going to literally put every single trade in with you so you can pass the account with me. I think it's going to be sick. So make sure you join the Discord for that. We'll be running it up shortly. Chat, it's grabbing so much liquidity. I do think this is going to rip, but most logical decision there was to move to break even. Why is gold so weird, man? Like, it doesn't actually make any sense. Why would you need more liquidity there? Why would you need to break the low again after grabbing like this, like over 170 pips of liquidity, 130 pips, sorry, and then grab another low on the 5 and then grab another low? Such crazy PA from gold right now. I genuinely think this is a great trade though. If you're still in this, chat, if you are still in this, it should break the highs. If it does break the highs, then you should probably go break even at that point. News predictions? Oh, that's a good point, chat. What do you guys think is going to happen for news? Where's my... What do you guys think is going to happen for news? Press 1 for up, 2 for down. Unemployment claims, so if the number's higher than forecast, it's good for gold. So basically, what do you think? 1 or 2? Type it in the chat. 1 for 2. What? 1 for 2? 1 for up, 2 for down. 1. 1, 1, 1. You guys think it's going to push up, eh? Everyone thinks it's going to push up. Holy shit. That means it's going to push down, no? If everyone thinks it's up, most of the time it goes down. I can't lie. I can't lie. Chat, this is gay price action from gold. Why would it do that? Like, why would it close above all the highs and then just rip down again after grabbing liquidity? It makes no logical sense. This is why you have to make a decision on the charts based off of logic and like the strategy, not based off of the money or ego or emotions, right? Logically, voice crack, the best decision was to go ahead and actually go break even there, right? This should have come down, flipped, which it did, and then continued up. But it came down, grabbed liquidity, reflipped, and then reflipped again, wicked all the way down, and is now pushing up. No way. Surely if it shoots up, that sets a precedent for the week? Potentially. It should feel the wick here though, chat. It should. Minus 22 is B, all good. Yeah, bro, it's kind of crazy though. Like, it literally... It re-entered me into sells. Thank fuck I closed them, because I would have been in drawdown on the sells as well. But I closed out like relatively break even. Chat, it looks like nothing, right? That's $200 right there though. Literally $200. No, $230. Insane. Re-breaking the highs here, chat. This is gonna rip. Gold, man. Gold being gold. Chat, I can't lie. I'm tempted to call it a week tomorrow. What copy trader? I use the Apex copy trader. It's actually really good. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get any money for it, but like, you can use it with all the prop firms as well. I thought it was just for Apex, but then you can use it for like any Trader8 accounts. It's pretty good. So you rebroke the highs here, chat, and rejected again. Might just be ranging before news here. I can't lie. I just wanted to enter again so bad, but no FOMO. Exactly. Now I'm gonna ask you what broker to use. I use RaiseFX and IC Markets, mostly IC Markets. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you can sign up to them still. Will you trade after news? Yes. I'm still waiting for news to come out to take some positions here. Realistically, chat, if the 30 closes like this, you get a bottom wick on news and then a flip. You could take the flip as the buy position, but it's quite aggressive as a play in general. Think about it this way, chat. I wouldn't have been holding through news either way. I think I saw max like... I don't even know what max was. I think I saw max $700 or something on that trade. $800, I think. Which is good, but... I'll cross 1 million funding. That's 0.1%. Not even that, so... You have to start thinking of it in percentage-wise, right? I'm not going to try and get the 0.1% grind. Anyone still in this chat? Anyone still in this position? We're still looking for more trades, man. I'm still looking for more after news. You got a lot of time after news to catch some positions, especially if you close above like 790. Me? Good shit, Gene. Gold always runs when it respecting the range or no top or bottom wick, but when the setup checks all the boxes, it acts like certified turtle. Yeah. It does, man. It does. I'm still in because I got on the flip, but I'm going to close before news. I think it should run, to be honest. If it's an account you don't care about, just let it. Just hold it through news. I can't lie, but I don't know. 5-minute closing, respecting the level here, rejecting a little bit as well. So interesting. Chat, we are so close to 10k subs. It's crazy. I was about to say 9k, but we hit that already. 10k subs is gonna be sick. Rebroke the high, chat. This should pop. Yeah, that is kind of huge. I can't lie. 10k on YouTube is actually massive. Like, how many YouTube accounts have 10k subs as a percentage? %4 of all accounts, basically. It's pretty crazy. And then 0.85% have 100,000, 0.09 a mil, 0.003 10 mil plus. Crazy. That's insane. If news pushing up to the upcoming buys level, that would be great for buys. Yeah, it would be. Core 19, good shit, Jay. Good shit, good shit. Yesterday's sell was mad. What did you catch yesterday? I didn't take sells yesterday, did I? Oh, no, yeah. This sell here was actually clean. This PA so whack. It just got to stop BE. It's tough, man. It's going to rip now as well. Dylan, now that you're out, watch this go. This PA is honestly crazy. Really, really shit PA. Because we've got news in 8 minutes as well, chat. Bear news in 10 minutes. Thanks, Crypto Maniac. Bear news. Terrible joke, and it's ripping. Love it. I'm gonna wait till after news. 100% chat. Like, you gotta wait till after news here. Everything's better than to be stuck in drawdown when news is coming. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying, chat. You wouldn't want to be in this right now if news was coming. I mean, if you're in profit, yeah, of course. But if you were in drawdown right now, you'd be shitting yourself. Be absolutely shitting it. If I speak, I'm in big trouble, chat. Big trouble. That is crazy, man. Oh well, we move. Right? Gonna close 5 minutes before because I'm on ACG. Yeah, Anil, good shout, man. Good shout. $30-minute looks great now, though. Hourly looks good. Everything looks good here, chat. I think potentially if we get a bottom wick off of news and then a flip, we could take the buys up to fill the range. I don't think that would be a bad play. You could also have stops below these lows now. Right, which would be very nice, actually. So let's see, chat. Wait patiently here, see what news does. Took 15 business days for gold to do the move. It's just made no sense, man. But there you go. Chat, you can't be mad at the charts, you can't be mad at the markets, anything like that. I got BE'd yesterday before it ran. Got BE'd today before it ran. One of them ones, man. Oh no, we didn't get BE'd yesterday, my bad. We took we avoided a loss, actually. Do unemployment claims usually move the market? I'm not a news trader. Yeah, they will move the market. We're not news traders either, right? But they will have an effect. I definitely don't trade news though, chat. I trade the aftermath of news, so I trade after the fact. I'll wait and see what the reaction is, then I'll trade. But yeah, I don't trade news either. If you're trading news, you are purely gambling. Because either way, right? You could even guess 100% correctly what the news is going to come out as, like fundamentally. But like, the market doesn't always respond in the right way to that. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, my bro? Welcome back. Chat, listen, let's get to 50 likes in the stream. If you haven't already, make sure you drop a like. It's very, very important. Does help out so much. We're getting close to that 10k sub mark. After 10k subs, I don't know. We'll start a scrap. Oh. Holy, the Yawn Play chat's coming back. Is there news today? Ah, here he is. Class. Classic joke. Fly Rays out to Cyprus. Could be the move, chat. Should we fly Rays to Cyprus? They're going to be like, nah, fly me out, bitch. Whoa. Okay. Why is my copy trader now off? What, the skibs? Don't copy my trade twice. Could you tell me an estimate cost of the one-on-one mentorship? I want to apply, but I need to know if my finances support it. Bro, click a link here, right? Because we have multiple options. Click this link here, book a call, and we'll figure out an option that suits you, man. Chat, every single one-on-one student, or like, I'm pretty sure like 80% of them that has joined within the last quarter is now profitable. Do you know how insane that is? Do you know how actually insane that is? Ridiculous, man. So yeah, by the way, if you do want to join, I dropped a link in my Discord to apply. One-on-one, throwing it back mentorship. Crazy. Chat, see, look, we rejected as well. You guys would have been below break even right now. Or you would have got stopped out just before news. So the same thing would have happened either way. And yeah, maybe you saw some profit. Like, I saw 50 pips. Holy skips. If you win, you go to Four Seasons for a meal. Holy. Chat, what about a trip to the Four Seasons as TRLS as a group? We'll go trade from there. I want to join the one-on-one, me and you, dinner, then kiss. SG, I closed at the perfect time before the 5-minute restriction. Hey, Anil, good shit, man. Why does Apex 50k not not 36 bucks? Oh yeah, the sale ended. They'll run a new one soon, I'm pretty sure. What did I join to? Blizzy, don't ask me, bro. Do not ask me. I don't know. Oh my god, look at this 5 bottom wick. Chat, this is just gearing up to absolutely rip. What the skibbity. 3 minutes till news though, chat. You know we can't take a trade before news. With 13 likes off 50 likes, make sure you hit that blood clot button. It's extremely important. Chat, I had 3 people message me yesterday for the one-on-one mentorship, right? Well, no, 5 people. 2 of them, like, applied. So I'm going to go through that application. But 3 of them, after I told them it cost money, which, why the fuck wouldn't it cost money? Anyway, after I told them, they were like, oh, nah, I'd rather invest that in a prop firm account. And I was like, oh, okay, how's it been going so far? They were like, well, I've blown all my prop firm accounts so far. Right, okay, so you want to spend more money on them to blow them again, right? Yeah. All right, cool, you're cooked. You're not accepted to the mentorship anyway. If someone had that fucking mentality, I wouldn't let them in the one-on-one anyway, even if they were going to pay for it. I don't want the money that bad. Like, I don't even care about the money at all, but I want the student success, not anything else, right? And people with that mentality, holy cooked. Oh my days, chat, it's ripping. It's actually ripping, what the fuck? This is actually gay. No, I'm not even joking, this is actually gay. Oh, we would have got beat anyway. Some people never learn. Someone messaged me yesterday as well, not related to the one-on-one. He just messaged me like in general. And I could tell immediately that he was like begging for money, but I kind of wanted to just see where he's going. Normally I just ignore them. Bro, eventually he was like, bro, I just lost $20K this month. It was all I had. What can I do? And I was like, well, you need to learn, bro. Go to my YouTube streams. Watch the free fucking content. And then he was like, yeah, but it takes so long. And then I was like, right, do you want to learn or are you here to beg for money? And he literally went, beg for money. I was like, what the fuck? These guys got no shame anymore. Literally no shame. I said, do you want to learn? And I offered him free learning resources like the YouTube, the live stream, the Discord, etc. He was like, nah, I want to beg for money. Learning takes too long. Cooked. Chat, news in 40 minutes. Just went long with all of my OF money. Crazy. Bro's been selling back shots for like 4 quid a month. 5 flipped as well. I think this rips up. 40 seconds, not minutes. Wait, I'm confused. All right, anyway, chat. News is coming out right now. Let's see what it does. Oh my days, chat. Holy shit. That is the mega bottom wick right there. Broke every single low we have. How did the news come out? Wait, where's my Forex factory? Came out good for the dollar, so bad for gold. We might rip down here, chat. Are you guys glad we got out break even now or what? Huh? Are you glad I fucking exited the trade break even or what? I'm pretty sure you are now. Yo, I can't lie. The boy SK came into the chat and said he was putting his mortgage on sales. Bro called it, I'm not gonna lie. Did you indeed put any money on the line, or are you just a talker, Mr. SK? Wonder who is still in. Hopefully no one, man. Hopefully nobody. Imagine I held those cells from when it like executed me twice by accident. Imagine. Chat, 30-minute by the way. Still no top wick. This could still flip and rip. I'm not saying it will, but it could. Just a light little 100 pip 1 minute candle. Ridiculous, man. Nothing we can do here just now. Unless the 30 flips, right? But the fact that news came out bearish is kind of tough. Lucky I'm out at 17 pips, or else I'm going to open an OF account. Crazy. Perfect went short with all of my plug business money. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Chat, if this does flip and close above, I guess, the next range, we'll look at some mega buys, right? Who said one? All of you. What did I say, chat? I said when you guys all think it's going to go up, it goes down. And you guys all said one, meaning it's going to go up, and it went whoosh. Idiots. Hang on. What's that? I swear bro was just drinking an energy drink. I swear bro's just gone and got a new one. I'm actually cooked. I'm actually cooked. Yeah, I actually genuinely am cooked, I'm not gonna lie. Chat, I got 4 hours sleep last night. Look at bro, bro's crazy, bro. Honestly, bro, I can't believe it, bro. Like, bro is literally being bro. Addicted to the energy drink? Bro is literally a bro. Nah, let chat. I went to bed at 6 in the morning last night. Ridiculous. That's why I'm a little bit slower on stream right now. Energy drinks, iPhone charger in his hand. Smokes, bros, bro. Chat, there's nothing wrong with an occasional cigarette, alright? You've been psyoped into thinking it's the worst thing on the planet, but there's nothing wrong with it. In fact, cigarettes actually boost testosterone. Why do you think I'm so fucking jacked? Apart from the steroids, right? That's the only reason. Sleep schedule going like the Titanic? Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. The iPhone charger? That was not a vape, though. It was an IQOS. I'll admit it. Nicotine is needed every now and then. Oh, fucking hell. Not again, chat. I did not say the N-word. I was saying again, like that. Holy stutter. Why do I keep getting cooked? For legal reasons, smoking is not advised or seen to be healthy, SG. Nah, fuck that. Chain smoke them hoes. I'm sorry, I should have worded it better, lol. Yeah, no, you really fucked me, I can't lie. You actually just shafted me there. Chat, 5 minute closed here, bearish. Respecting the level though. Now you good, SG. Thank you, Raze. Thank you. Gonna be a slip up montage? No, please. Please don't clip that. I'm smoking like a cartoon character right now, 10 at the same time. Yeah, like all in all your different fingers. Chat, if you guys have never experienced being up at 4 AM working on your own business, own hustle, and then it being super silent outside, you go to your balcony and have a cigarette. I feel sorry for you. It's the top one experience in a man's life ever. Literally not a single better experience in the world. It's like 4 a.m. You're playing some nice little quiet and motivational music. You step out onto the balcony. The warm heat from the Cyprus weather hits you. You're literally in shorts on a tank top even though it's 4 a.m. You can't hear a single sound apart from the wind. And then you have a fag. Oh my days, bro. It's fucking incredible. Cigarette for the Americans, by the way. Not fag as in... Oh, fuck. Ruined the whole clip. Not gonna lie, sounds gay. You sound gay. We broke the lows, chat. We actually broke the hourly lows. Do you like to waking up at 4 is just discipline? I don't wake up at 4, bro. I go to bed at like 6 a.m. I don't wake up at 4 a.m. Fuck that. You know what? You guys have actually been psyoped into thinking it's better to go to sleep early. It's actually not. I'm the most productive between the hours of like 11 p.m. and like 3, 4 a.m. Right? That's my like productivity time. My dad's friend was babysitting me when I was a youth and he fell asleep. I put all his cigarettes in his mouth, ears and nose, then I lit them and he woke up choking. Fire. I got a feeling that this will flip back later. Yeah, me too. The structure's bullish, right? I genuinely think this might be the liquidity. Liquidity. Yeah, man. Chat, there's a lot of opportunity here, to be honest. If this starts to reject, we can take the buys. If it continues to rip down, then, yeah, obviously, it's going to be vraiment difficile. Liquidity. Yeah, exactly. Chat. Daily flipped. Asia lows and flip would be mega. You starting to sound like Tate? In what way? I guess the smoking thing, right? Bro, that guy has some very good points. Such as one of the funniest clips I've ever seen in my life. Unironically, that guy is one of the most hilarious people I've ever seen on the internet. Like, no matter what you think about what he says, he's fucking hilarious. What's the clip? might get shadow banned for this, but this is... Oh wait, which one is it? This one's good. Oh fuck. Yeah, good. That's definitely not what's going on, right? You're wrong. That one is fucking hilarious. It's not the full clip, but I don't know. I think it's so funny. If you watch him as a modern day Ali G, you will cry out loud. Yeah, 100%. Now the best one is when you're sitting around comparing your cars with your boys, and he's like, "You're all poor." Or the one I put on my story, the sound I put on my story the other day, which is the no movies one. No movies is hilarious. I'm locked in. Just so cringe. I've ruined the whole clip with that. This one is fucking good. Why are they speeding the fuck up it? Like, what is even... I don't know. This one. No movies! I'm locked in. I'm in the trenches. It's going to be vraiment difficile. Bro, I'm actually multilingual, you know. I'm Mr. Multilingual. Chat, we actually genuinely might flip here. You swept some lows. Did you get Asia lows? No, you didn't. You daily reflipped. This is crazy, bro. Big rejection already. You've already rejected up like, what, 60 pips? Any trades today? Yeah, Stefan, we had a trade before news. As you can see here with these executional arrows. Little fucking buy stop, mate. Now, we had a buy and it got hit break even just before news. But we would have hit stops, obviously, after news. So, definitely good management, chat. Realistically now, big rejecty, big daily flippy. Gotta see this little closure above. Chat, by the way, I was thinking about this the other day. I swear, I'm like one of the only traders who streams and actually does like entertainment value. Not entertainment value, but like actually has conversations other than boring trading shit. Like, I swear to God, fucking... I was watching some trading streamers yesterday They're so boring. Like, so boring. Yeah. I wanna probably take some buys if we close above here. Price action looks good right now. We have NY open in 20 minutes. Realistically, stop should be below these lows. Shut up, you're boring, man. It's literally so boring. Like, I don't know why the fuck anyone watches these guys. Imagine if someone just joined. Yeah, I know. That literally is what they're like, though. That's not even an over-exaggeration. I was watching a stream yesterday, and this guy was literally barely talking to chat. Chat asked a question, he just violated them. He was like, oh, yeah. What kind of question's that, bro? It's like, shut up. I swear I'm the only guy who does like this type of trading stream. Maybe Patrick Whelan, but he's also cringe as fuck. So like, I don't know. I needed to check if my sound was muted. Yeah, my bad. What other trader has a Mr. Mochi? Yeah, trust me. Chat, 5 flip bullish here, sorry. Interesting. 10 million. $10 million. Realistically, there could be a lot of potential here, chat. Don't full port this shit. Yeah, very true. Chat, if you did buy stop, sell stops, you would have been good though, I can't lie. He's that kid that got bullied and now has money, so he's a dick. Yeah, he actually is. 1000%. Blew the fund yesterday. How can I book a call for the one-on-one? Go to the Discord, bro. Tom, in the one-on-one Discord, I'm sorry to hear that, by the way. There's a session called, there's a thing called book a session right here in the mentorship Discord, not in the other one. And yeah, you can book a call there. How long did you take to learn trading? Like 3-4 years? I learned it by myself there. Actually, it was probably less. 3-4 years casually, but when I locked in, it was like 14 months, 16 months, something like that. I want the kid that all the memes used to be about? Yeah, genuinely. When I come back to Cyprus, if me and Tom get freaky, how angry would you be? You can have him, bro. You can have him. I'm pretty fed up of him right now. Finally quit my job. Finally quit my job. Went full time into trading and all my businesses. Hey, Gene, good shit, bro. Super proud of you, man. That's insane. Congrats. Congrats, man. SG, can you lend me like 100k? Yeah. Sure, I got you. Just some chump change. Would you say the Webby is like a drip feed for what the one-on-one has to offer? The webinar is like what one of the one-on-one calls would be. Right? Like, if you join the webinar, you basically are experiencing what one of the one-on-one calls would be. So imagine how fucking valuable the one-on-one is. I love you. Thank you, bro. Get the McClizzy. I want the McClizzy so bad. My girl's away in Germany right now. I was thinking the other day about getting a McCliz and not telling her and then just picking her up from the airport in a McCliz. How insane would that be? Recently, I've watched your free trading course back in the days, the one you first videos, and they're crazy seeing Young SG talking about the onion plate. Yeah, no, it's crazy. I feel like I'm collecting the Infinity Stones at the minute. Course Webby, then the final is the one-on-one. Bro's actually, yeah, collecting all the Infinity Stones right now. Real talk, bro. Like I said, if you join the course, right, and then join the one-on-one, obviously we like basically take the price off, so you don't have to pay for both. But yeah, I mean, it's a good natural progression. I can't lie. How are we going to rip back up here, chat? This is so interesting right now. Ooh, 15-minute close chat, by the way. Big bottom wick on the previous 15 here. Big bottom wick on the 30-minute right now. Still got no top wick. At some point, we're going to have to grab that. What's your bias? You know what, bro? It's quite difficult right now. I am technically bullish, but this has been crazy. What TV sub you got? I think I've got the most basic premium one. I don't know how to check, but I have the premium one so I don't get ads until I get all the history, but I don't have like the mega crazy TradingView Extreme Edition. It's not worth it. Waiting for the masterclass on the first notebook. Already, freshly bought it. Huge, bro. Good shit. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? Oh, $1 million. $1 million, yeah? Oh, okay. See how I manage my finances after a month or two at uni, then I'll be scouting out that one-on-one. I got you, bro. I got you. My guy's going to see Tom every few minutes. Wonder what they're doing backstage. Yeah, that's it. Oh, not this guy. Get him out. Get him out. No one wants Mr. Mochi in here, man. He's banned. He's banned. What's your body count? Wouldn't you like to know? I remember the time before the GMT/trend play. Crazy. Yeah, Levi, you're OG, bro. Yeah, Mr. Mochi. Bedge got him gone. No nonsense Bedge here, man. He's out of here. Mr. Mochi joins. 2 messages, gone. Wouldn't you like to know, Paperboy? Love you really, Mr. Mochi? No, we don't. We hate him. All my homies hate Mr. Mochi. He's actually on the op list right now. Chat, if this close is below somehow, I mean, you could look at the sales, right? But holy 200 pip stops. Your views on funding pips? Whack. If you're going to buy a Forex prop firm, ACG is the one by a long, long way. Code SG gets you 20% off. Chat, by the way, like I said, you boys were talking about the masterclass, right? The masterclass is on October the 1st. We sold 2 more slots yesterday. I thought we only had 2 left yesterday, but it turns out we have 1 left now. So, if you do want to join it, head over to either the Discord or the Instagram, and the link for the masterclass is in. I don't want to see Jeff Bezos on my feed. It's in my bio. Or you can DM me the word live and I'll send you more information. Super valuable. How's he back? This guy's got a sick Instagram page. It's actually hard. You guys need to check this guy out on Instagram. He's actually so cool. Look at this. He's widowily in a 5-star hotel with his girl, making your monthly salary. Widowily. It's fucking insane. Like, he's also just... Everything he does is so clean. Like, he's just sat on the back of his Range Rover. No one... Who thinks to do that? No one. Everything he does is so clean. Like, bro, look at the way he stood on the balcony. That's aura. That actually is aura. I'm joking, man. Alright, 5 close bearish. I'm not joking, by the way. 5 close bearish. Tapping into the bottom of the level. What percentage should I be risking? 1.5%, Mochi. Plus 1,000 aura, trust me. Sat on the Range Rover, dreaming about sat in the GT3 RS. That's the classic thing, right, chat? It's the guy... on the bus is dreaming to be the guy riding the bike. The guy riding the bike is dreaming to drive the shitty beat up car. The guy with the shitty beat up car wants to drive this. You know what I mean? This guy must have the best community. Holy shit. Yeah, Mark's right. This guy actually must have the best community. If you want to join it, there's a link in the Discord. Or not even in the Discord, in the chat. Make sure when you join it, chat, you go ahead and you click the verify button. Otherwise, you won't have access to any of the server. And you won't be able to see stuff like Ray's, oh, look at that, I predicted it, sending in psychology shit. Or Tom streaming live in the members, not in the members lounge, in the live trading section. Or this cool gif of a bear. You wouldn't be able to see any of that if you didn't join. When you started trading, did you experience any pressure? And if so, how did you handle it? Yeah, I mean, bro, I was live streaming my trades after like 12 months. So like, that's a lot of pressure. I was trading in front of 100 people like 2 years ago when I was relatively newly profitable. Cool gif of a bear, cool gif of a bear got me. It is a cool gif of a bear, man. Chat is just throwing you straight dimes for plugs at this point. Yeah, I know, you guys are throwing me layups. That's your job though. Chat, we're about to sweep the Asian lows. Holy Sigma, what is going on? You've got no top wick on any of these candles. It's insane. That was my song about sweeping Asian lows, chat. Hopefully you enjoyed. Coming to a record store near you. Record store. How do you work on psychology? A lot of psychology issues are actually just stemming from your trading. Like, think about it this way. Everyone wants to work on their psychology, but if you were, I don't know, let's give you an analogy, right? If you were Cristiano Ronaldo stepping up for a free kick, you wouldn't be nervous, right? Because you've done it 10 billion times. You fucking practiced it in the training ground infinite times, and you have basically got your skill to a point where there's a very high likelihood that it goes in, right? Same with trading. If you come to the charts and you haven't backtested, you haven't collected data, you don't have a journal full of statistics behind your setups, yeah, you're going to be nervous. But if you have done those things and you've come to the charts every day, you're risking the right amount, you know what your A+ setup is like the back of your hand, and you've got statistics behind your trades, then there's literally no reason to have psychological issues. Farmed that clip. How old was you when you had your first kiss? What a question. That is insane. I'm not even going to answer that. It's actually a crazy answer, but I'm not going to... Bro, Mochi, you got to stop asking questions like this, my bro. 24-hour timeout's back on. See you tomorrow, bro. See you tomorrow, Mr. Mochi. Goodbye, mate. Bro's weird, I'm not going to lie. Chat, you came and got the no bottom wick here. Was that an hourly no bottom wick? No, it wasn't. It was on one time frame, no? 15? Yeah, 15. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. Are we going to sweep the lows here, chat? We're coming close. Coming close. What habits outside of trading contributed most to your success? Easy. The gym. The gym, following a diet, and yeah, exercise in general, right? It puts you in a routine. It gives you discipline to do hard shit. Following a diet makes you actually do mundane stuff over and over and over and not give in to temptations, which obviously directly applies to FOMO in the markets or over-risking or anything like that, the equivalent of a cheat meal. Discipline by going to the gym every single day is essentially, you know, turning up to the charts every day, even if you don't have a setup, taking a position if there is one. If there's not, then you stay and you go through the motions no matter what. The same as turning up to the gym every day, doing the same thing no matter what. What an analogy. Call me Mr. Nah, I can't call myself that. Mr. Anal. Bro, I feel like there's going to be a monster buy incoming. Patience, young Padawans. Alright. It didn't sweep the Asian lows, which is kind of crazy. I feel like it should have done. Hey, what's good, GG? How's it going, my bro? Welcome back, man. Always good to see you. I appreciate it, brother. That's so weird that it didn't take the lows. It came close. Why would it not do that? Chat, what's the 10-minute time frame saying? It flipped, see? Chat, should we take buys off the 10-minute? No one uses the 10-minute. Come on now. I wouldn't look to take anything but shorts from this level. Nah, man. Shorts are washed. Literally, I put them in the washing machine earlier. Hilarious. I didn't, by the way. I don't do my own washing. There is so much liquidity being grabbed. I use the 7.5 minute often. Yeah, fair. So much liquidity is being grabbed right now. We have bullish market structure technically still. Actually, no, not on the higher time frames. Yes. Oh. I just watched your video. You're too normal to be a millionaire trader. God knows I needed that. Hey, Kane, welcome to the chat, man. I appreciate that. I'm glad that you needed it. I'm glad it helped. That video is a banger, honestly. Chat, all of the videos on my channel are exactly as valuable as the one Kane just mentioned. Literally, I have like hundreds of videos. If you watched all of them, you'd be profitable, no doubt. Like, zero doubt in my mind. Ripping up, man. Let's make a gazilli fact. What was your final goal? Like, what do you expect from trading? A milli, bro. Nah, not even a milli. More than a milli. I don't really have a final goal like that. What's the hardest lesson the market taught you and how did it change you? I guess taking away all my funding like a couple of months ago was a difficult lesson. Having a big losing streak when I first moved to Cyprus on my live account was a big lesson as well. Genuinely, I think just taught me to the fact that I still need to be humble. Even though I'm profitable, I've been profitable for a couple of years, still need to be humble, I still need to be locked in, I still need to be focused, otherwise the market is going to absolutely eat me. And yeah, that was one of the biggest lessons the market taught me. You never get to a point, chat, where you're like, I've made it, I can stop learning right now, I can just trade on autopilot. It never happens, it's not a thing. Alright, chat. Hourly closure here in 1 minute. Let's see what it does. Where's this Tom guy, man? This guy is not locked in. If the 1 hour closes like this and the new hour one opens top wick first, would you consider a buy? Do you mean bottom wick first? Because I would never buy on a top wick first. Yo, SG, would you say being in a relationship helps you stay focused on business or not? It's a mix of both, you know. You got motivation from your partner. You want to do well for them. A good girl will help you focus. A good girl will also help you with stuff that you don't want to be doing, like cooking, cleaning, looking after the apartment, looking after the more feminine stuff, so you can lock in and focus. If you're in a bad relationship, bro, she's gonna try and distract you. She's gonna make you do shit that you like don't really want to be doing. If you have to go and take her out on weekends, even though you want to be working, loads of this stuff, man. So it just really depends on firstly the girl and secondly you in a relationship, right? But you have to be the controller of that. All right, chat, the 1 hour just closed here. Top wick first. Holy, this is crazy. No movies. I'm in the trenches. I'm locked in. Now, the best one ever is the You're All Poor one. The You're All Poor one is hilarious. That's one of my favorite take clips ever. I can't find it though. Someone find me that clip. It's fucking incredible. What is a woman? Yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Chat. Low-key, like, all traders basically just, like... The trading community as a whole is crazy, you know? SG dropping game? Hey, I appreciate it, Tony. I appreciate it, my bro. What is a gay? I don't know, bro. You're gonna have to ask someone else about that one. You're gonna have to ask someone else about that one, I can't lie. Chat, I want to see a bullish closure now. I don't like the sells. I think this is liquidity. I genuinely think this is all liquidity. Look at this 4 hour, man. If it closes below this level, then yeah, we can take the sells to come down towards like 36, right? Because you should retest into that level at some point. But for right now, I genuinely don't think this is like sellable, to be honest. Your favorite trading buddy? I've never really had a trading buddy. I guess now Tom is my trading buddy. But he's also my student, so that doesn't really count. You know, like at the end of the day, Tom's my mentorship student, so it's like, I don't know. Chat, by the way, Tom did a stream today in the Discord for free for London session. If you guys missed that, make sure you pull up to it tomorrow, right? It's the London session streams in this live trading section. There was like 25 people in there this morning. Apparently it was really valuable, chat. Was anyone in chat in there? If you were, let me know how it was. I was asleep, I can't lie. I was sleepy VPs, man. Waking up to Pink Box was a nice treat. Crazy. Yes, sir, it was nice. Chat, by the way, feel free when you join those streams, don't treat it like a stream like this. Tom's still learning as well, right? Tom's still learning as well. He's at your level. Or maybe a little bit higher, because obviously he's become funded now. But engage with him, man. See it as like you lot as friends, marking up the charts, discussing possible ideas. That's how trading should be, right? Like discussing ideas, talking about different like perspectives on the market, talking about what could play out, what a good trade would be, what an A+ setup would be, psychology stuff, all of that, right? It's so valuable for you guys to jump in those calls, right? What was the belief about trading you had to earn and learn before becoming profitable? That trading doesn't work. Once I realized it was actually profitable by seeing people make money, right? Then I was like, oh, okay, let's do this shit. It's nice that you just started trading. We can learn a lot and get a different perspective. Exactly. Bro, Tom's only been trading for 3 months, right? He passed another funded account today, chat. If you saw in the testimonial section on the Discord, or the student results section, bro passed another fucking 150k funded today. It was exactly that. It was nice engaging people with the in the same boat. W, man. Yeah, Neil, that's exactly why I wanted him to do it and not me. Had to learn that less is more. That's a good one, Blizzy. That's a good one. Tom has done more in 3 months than I have in 2 years. Why do you think that is, bro? It's because he joined the mentorship, paid for the one-on-one. That shit works, I'm telling you. Like, it's almost as if when you invest in an education like that, you actually get results. It speeds up the learning curve by like a stupid amount. But you could, yeah, comparison is the thief of joy as well. Jai's right. How much is your one-on-one? There's different options depending on your situation, right? There's not really like a price. So if you do want to apply for it, right, we can jump on a call and discuss it. The link's right here in the Discord in this one-on-one section. Wait, he paid? Yeah, of course, bro. I give him like endless time. I thought because he was your friend, you got it for free. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, like, all love to the guy. I couldn't give that value out for free. And that would also be ridiculously unfair to the people that have paid for it, you know? We spoke about it. Obviously as well, like, he gets a benefit more than the students do because he lives with me now at the minute. Like, it's a bit more. But at the same time, if I was just giving this guy like everything that these guys have paid for absolutely free, it would be crazy. And if you don't pay for it, you won't appreciate it. That is true as well. That is completely true. Paying for it's actually a cheat code. What do you think about Huss, Mully? Bro, Huss is he's a gangster, bro. I love Huss. He's a good guy. Where will all the recordings from Tom's stream go? Did he record it this morning? Did he say that or not? I don't know if he recorded it. Rent a villa with your boys, wake up at 5, gym at work, gym at 1, work all day, don't leave the house. So you make a milli. Bro, nah, the strategy right now, I'll tell you the life that me and Tom have been living, right? And one of my employees as well, right? Who's also my boy. We wake up at like 12, I can't lie, or like 11. I stream with you guys. Go gym after stream, get back at like 7, eat, and then work until like 6 a.m. That's what I've been doing every day for the past 2 weeks. No cap. I would teach my homie for free and then take a little cut out of his first payout. I'd teach him how to fish and then take a fish. Nah, bro. Can't do that. You got to think also, like, the more... If I took... Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, he should record tomorrow. He should have recorded today. I'm going to beat him up about that. Chat, look at this 30-minute, man. Makes sense, I was just wondering. No, I got you, bro. I got you. Push him back up here, chat. He said you'd shout at him. No way. Asking for a payout tomorrow after a week getting funded? Weeloo, bro. Good shit, my friend. That's absolutely W, man. Fair play to Tom for not trying to mug you off and get it for free. Yeah, trust me. If this 15 closes like this, chat, buys don't look too bad. Like, genuinely, they don't look terrible. I think realistically, though, we've pushed down so aggressively, you need a pullback at some point. It would be kind of strange for us to not pull back at all. Yeah, give me a refund. Crazy work. I mean, your time is money as well, so it's only right. Bro, if you guys saw how busy I actually am, you actually wouldn't believe it. Like, the fact I still stream is fucking mental to me. The only reason I still stream is because I actually love doing it. If I didn't like streaming, I would not be streaming right now. I'm so fucking busy. It's insane. Hope you feel like I'm not shitting USG Blizzy. Of course not, bro. It's funny when you see the big position, you always had huge liquidity. Yeah. All love? Nah, I know, Blizzy. I know. Most of you, like, all of you guys are all love, to be honest. We're saying, G, what's good, Will? How's it going, my brother? Grateful that you stream. I appreciate it, Ewan. Chat, it's fun, man. It's fun. Except Mr. Mochi, yeah. 100%. Fuck that guy. 5 pushing back down here, chat. So maybe we will continue down. In a tax and pricing lecture right now, I'm trying to print. Crazy work. Tax and pricing sounds gay. I used to do tax law as well. I can't believe there's some guys turning up stream day 1 and then we never see him again. Upstream 1 day, sorry, and then we never see him again. Yeah, it's crazy. They don't realize the amount of knowledge they missed. Trust me. It's insane. Chat, if you're new to the stream, trust me. You guys don't even know what you're getting right now. What's good, Tim's? How's it going, brother? I think previous daily low is coded, maybe. It's programmed, bro. It's programmed. Would you move either to Italy or Greece? What would you pick? I mean, I live in Cyprus, so it's basically Greece already. Mr. Mochi and SG streams like the yin and yang. It actually is. I'd move to, well, if I had to move away from Cyprus, I wouldn't move to Greece, I'd move to Italy. I would keep my company here in Cyprus though, so I could get the tax benefits, right? And then I'd just live in Italy half the year. I used to live in Italy. I lived in Italy for 2 years. It's fucking banging. Italy's a really nice place to live. I'd move to Florence again. Florence is gorgeous, man. I lived in central Florence for a long time. Oh, not a long time, but a decent amount of time. It's probably the most beautiful city, I would say, on the planet. Like, bro, look at this shit. It's actually crazy. Literally, like, chat, if you guys see the vlog, I did a vlog in Italy, like, a couple of times. The Italy vlogs are actually banging. I used to walk all the way down here. It's so actually fucking incredibly nice. Like, there's videos of me walking down this road, filming at this, like, Duomo whilst trading and shit. I've been to all these places. Living here was sick, actually. My girl, I flew my girl back there the other day to see her friends. I didn't even mention that, actually. I should have made a fucking video about it. But my girl wanted to go see one of her friends who still lives in Florence for her birthday. So I flew her out there. And she had a sick time. I didn't even get to go because I was fucking working. Bullshit, man. The life this girl lives. I think one of the prettiest places I've been in is Amsterdam. Shame about all the British people. That is so true. W hubby, trust me. Actually am. Chat, let's make a meal. Oh. 5-minute reflipped here after closing bearish. If you're gonna get buys, if you're gonna get anything now, you need structure, right? You just need structure. It's just been ripping for too long. Can't take sells, you can't take buys. What are you thinking about UK illegal immigrants? I think it's pretty obvious what the fuck I think. If you've seen me on stream for more than a day, you can probably guess my opinion. I'm a very patriotic British person, I can't lie. I don't think there should be no immigration, but I definitely think there shouldn't be illegal immigration. It's not even immigration, is it? It's fucking invasion kind of shit. SG, are you fat phobic? Yes. Next question. Legitimately am as well. No, I'm not fat phobic. That's a lie. But like, I'm fat and even I'm fat phobic. W Blizzy, man. Chat, 15-minute close here shortly. Are we going to close bull or bear? Who knows? If you go gym, you're fat phobic. Yeah, it's actually true. Oh no, I've just heard this guy out there.
Such a long call. How's the stream going, guys?
Not the no shirt. This guy's never wearing a shirt. He walks around the gaff like he owns it.
This is my house.
Ridiculous. Fuck's sakes, he's back. Fuck's sakes.
Fuck's sake.
Just found out Bambi's having 2 Christmases.
Forgot to reset my spawn point.
Most monotone voice ever. Oh my god, he's actually just going in. That's not even like a joke. He's just absolutely got you.
No, he means nonchalant.
No,
It's the same thing, really. Because I am a nonchalant guy.
Daily fix of Tom's tans tits.
I just go, we
The
same.
least tanned guy ever.
We same, babes.
Bro. My
size.
My size. We went to the beach the other day, yeah? And so all the women started coming around Tom because he was like a reflective mirror for them to get a better tan. You know, like those mirrors you put up like that? You were just like beaming the sun off you. Oh shit, it's the guy from Nepal.
Hey, sweet one, what are you telling me, bro?
Did I see Polish Prime Minister shot? Yeah, he actually was. Chat, 15-minute close bearish, so that's not good. I needed it bullish. What we'll do, chat, is we'll wait for the 30-minute. See, we've been so locked in until you came, mate. That's alright. The 30-minute, if this closes bullish, we can take a look at some buy skis. Did you get out of that position?
Yeah. I closed at 0.
Yeah.
I mean, I closed at $3. I hadn't even gone to break even yet. I was just like,
Don't think he's the Prime Minister, he's an MEP? No, he was the Prime Minister, no? I don't think he is anymore. When are you getting a haircut, bro? That is true, we should actually go get a haircut at some point.
we'll do it before the videographer comes. Oops.
I don't think they heard.
Just quickly on the street. Guys, we've got to go. Something's just come up.
Just baited out my... I don't even want to say it.
That doesn't even know. That doesn't.
I actually don't think they heard.
Yeah, I also don't think that really gives anything away. Your reaction was actually more baked.
Tommy, I enjoyed our session this morning. Haha.
Thank you, mate.
He's joking.
I'm planning on doing them daily.
He is going to do them daily. He's not planning on. He is.
Yeah, I will do them daily.
But we're going to record this one next time, aren't we, Tommy boy? Yeah.
Someone reminded me like 40% of the way through, and I was like, do I start it up now? No, I'll just leave it.
Check NQ. Oh my days. The mega cell.
Now, boys, more than anything, with these London streams, it helps me get better at trading because, you know, I'm not, like, besides talking to Sam, I don't really speak, like, none of my other friends are interested in trading, so it's nice to just be able to speak my thoughts out loud.
W stream, bro. I'm not actually ending stream, bro. He was joking. Like 20 people left when you said that.
Did they?
No, it's fine. Yeah, but no, honestly, that is right. Like I was saying to them before you came, when you're on the phone, like the whole point of these calls is not like you streaming like I stream. It's more like a group call, you know, to like discuss shit and like, or you talk through stuff as well. But like,
oh yeah, obviously, if you're gonna take a position with me on stream, just bear in mind that I've been trading 3 months. Like, probably not the best person in the industry to signal, but I'm sure there's people you could probably get more efficient signals from. And also, feel free to jump in the voice call. You don't have to just speak to me through the chat. It's supposed to be like a, I don't know, like a group FaceTime without the face element. A group phone call.
booty call.
Yeah. A call with the homies.
Tom is going to make me money.
I mean, to be fair, I did call out that reversal on stream, so if you'd taken that short from the point that I marked out, you would probably have earned a decent amount, but I mean, I didn't take it myself, so...
Classic trading influencer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like...
After the movie, he's promoting it.
Call something out, but didn't take it myself.
Chat, this 30 could be nice, actually. Got 10 minutes here to the 30 close. It's also NYSE. Chat, this could be good.
Wait, you took it, Finnan? W-mans if you did.
I don't exactly want to turn on my camera when I'm naked in bed. You didn't have to tell us that, G. I'll be on one of the calls with you soon, just really early. Dylan, it all comes down to how bad you want it, mate. I'm joking.
Oh, you did take it. Wait, how much profit did you see from it? Did you take a screenshot? If you did, send me that on Discord, because that means you're the first ever person to take a Tom McFall signal.
T-Mac
I'd like that as like a relic of my time on these streams. So if you did, DM me it.
Ethereum dropped below 4,000, chat. I didn't know crypto was melting. That's so good. I sold all my crypto. Chat, I've done it again. Sorry, I need to just sit up for this one. I've done it again.
Oh, never mind. I got ahead of myself.
What?
He apparently I didn't tell him.
No, you told him not to take it, but he did take it.
Oh.
Chat, I've called the crypto top yet again. I've done it again. I'm actually Mr. Crypto.
I'm gonna go shower.
I actually sold all my Ethereum. I told you, right? At 5,000, 4,900 up here. And it's now below 4,000. Suck my balls. I'm actually goated. I sold Solana at the top. Now Ethereum at the top. Wait till I buy, chat. $10 million. Yeah, Mr. Crypto. Chat, I want to see... Oh my days, it's ripping up, man. Mr. Top. Now I just need to transform into Mr. Bottom to get the buys next time. Kind of didn't want it to push up this far yet, to be honest. But it has. 5 broke structure. 15 looks good. 30 looks good. Tom is Mr. Bottom.
I'm just a Sigma.
The wicker buyer. It's getting close, man. My wicker.
I need to film my reel by the way, so.
No, we're going to the gym after stream.
Ooh, maybe I'll do it now then.
Hurry up. If you get a closure below 37.75, buys are valid. Above, sorry, yeah, I agree, but it's going to be pretty extended if it does that, to be honest. I don't understand. I guess it was news. That the reason that we didn't push up earlier was news, right? It makes a lot of sense, actually. Stops will be huge. Oh, yeah. Hold on, your wicker. Is it that low? It is quite low. Chat. We'll wait till NYC, right? You got 8 minutes, 7 minutes till NYC open. We'll see what that does. Hopefully it gives some volume. Otherwise, I'll call it a day, man. I'm pretty tired. I got like 4 hours sleep last night. What are you hitting today? Shoulders and abs, I think, right?
Yeah.
Because we trained legs yesterday. And
We trained legs.
that's what I said. And I did 30 minutes of cardio. Which is crazy. Womp womp. Not the womp womp. Can we get a V-Bucks giveaway at 10k subs? Crazy. I'll give away some CSGO cases. Up 1k on a fresh about. Nice, Tom. Take it slow, my bro. You need to hit neck day. Neck day is crazy. Chat, should I just start scrolling Instagram whilst on stream? Like, not even talking to you guys like all these other traders do. Might be the meta. I knew we'd rip up as well. I think you're going to come and get this no top wick on the 30. I genuinely think we're going to get that no top wick. What's the day today? Thursday, right? Yeah, we had 41 people join the Discord yesterday. That's kind of crazy. It's a lot of people, man. Yeah, booked call for tomorrow. Yeah, I saw, bro. I saw. I'll check what time it is and shit. Play a little Geo, maybe. Rejecki level right here. Man, we might be done here, chat. You know, this is. Yeah, I mean, there is a rejection area here, right? Here. Oh my days, man. Sorry, bro. You don't have to apologize, my bro. Oh, chat. For fuck's sake, man. Gold is very weird. I genuinely am tempted to call it a week. I will still stream 41 people join the Discord and a fake Ewan. Yeah, crazy. I'm tempted to... What was I going to fucking say? I need to learn to speak. I'm tempted to trade tomorrow on a vows only. Just because it's been whack PA. I don't want to risk my mobile funding. Ewan is a popular name, is it? There's quite a few spellings of Ewan, isn't there? Like, there's a lot of spellings. You can have like... Ewan. I think like, what's that one? It's like Owen, something like that. Oh yeah, like that one. There's like something like that as well. I've seen. I don't know. Break even week on stream. Is it? Did we not take a dub at the start of the week? Yeah, we did, right? Or am I tripping? I swear we took a dub at the start of the week. I could be wrong. No, maybe we break even. Yeah, maybe we are, bro. Maybe we are. Crazy. Slow week. PA's been slowing down a little bit. We're just not just ripping straight up now. We have had two streams, which is interesting. 2 trades on stream, sorry. Holy shit, I need some sleep. I actually need some sleep. Bad. I need some sleep bad. Is that your mastermind subject? The different spellings of you? And yeah, trust me. I swear you got 2K on the 1 mil funded day. No? Yeah, I am 2 mil up. That's 2K up. I don't know. But I think that might have been last week. I got 500, but that was because of the break-even weird thing that happened. Today, technically, I'm down like 300, which is break-even. How crazy is that? 300 bucks is now a break-even trade, right? It's 0.3%. No, 0.03%. 0.03%. Holy shit. Go sleep. After stream, man. After stream. This looks actually quite good. You're talking shit, actually, yo. I might take a nap tonight before the mega lock-in. I don't know. Can't stop working, chat. Can't stop moving forward. If you stop moving forward like sharks, you just drown. You know what I mean? Probably not. Take a nap. Let Tom stroke your hair as he says, "Good boy." It's crazy. Yo, Eugene passed another funded as well yesterday. TRLS going absolutely parabolic right now, chat. Like, everyone in here. Look at this shit. Not everyone sends them in here as well. Some people sent them in the other chat, but I deleted it. Just funded certificate, payout, funded certificate. Insane. All the man. The strategy works, eh, chat? Oh, rejection. This is why you mark out your levels. What's gonna happen here? Holy. It's not good, chat. The yawning is not good. I passed my first ever phase 1 yesterday. W, man. Good shit, Mr. Woods. Now take it slow, take it steady, and lock in on the phase 2 skis. One minute to the 30-minute closure here, chat. I'm waiting for the discount, then buying 3 or 4 50Ks. That's the move. That's the move, chat. I'll let you know when the next Apex sale comes out. For right now, can you imagine an affiliate saying this? Don't buy an account right now. There's not a sale on. Well, there is 50%, but you know what I mean. What kind of guy would tell you not to buy the accounts even though he gets affiliate commission? Me, because I actually love you guys. I'm not like these absolute idiots. They're just like, buy the account, buy the account, buy the account. Oh, my phone's flat. All right, we're back. Chat, 30-minute looks like it wants to close with the mega bullish. Interesting. Problem is we rejected off this level right now, you know? You are technically closing above this level here, though. Last time you did this, you came down and swept this low, and then you moved all the way back up. Think we got the same leg tattoo? Maybe similar. It can't really be possible that we have the same one. My girl designed all mine, like she drew them by hand. But yeah, like, I guess it'll be the similar one. What do you have? Buy the account. Shut up, you're poor, you're broke. You're broke. What leg tattoo do you have, Finnan? Yes, indeed. Got to go back to work tomorrow. But 1st of October to 6th off, so going to trade personal account. Nice. Smart. Is this the end of all-time high push? Bro, I've been loving the all-time high push. It's been so easy. Just buy. Pretty simple. Oh, what a snooze fest, chat. That is absolute wackaroonies. Listen, man, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go and join the free FREE Discord. Yeah, make sure you join that. And don't just join it and be a little, what's the word? Voyeur, right? Just watching people. Get involved, man. Get stuck in. Share your trades. Share your thoughts. Share your analysis. All that sort of shit, man. It's very important. And, yeah. Other than that, chat, go watch the most recent vlog that came out yesterday if you haven't already on the channel. Very important. And then we'll play the GeoGuessr because I'm done for today, man. We had one trade on stream. It was a banger trade. But unfortunately hit break even. I'm not going to force anything. Got like a leaf around my kneecap. Oh, I like the laurel wreath. I've got that too. Yeah. So we do have the same one, right? I have like 4 or 5 leg tattoos. No, not 4 or 5. I think I have like, oh my god, look how fucking ginormous I am. I have like this one, which is like the leaves, the laurel wreath. I have the best one there, chat, is the best one, TRLS, which is kind of crazy. Then I have some wings. This one says, and then it says a Greek word here, and then I have a Medusa in a box. Pretty sick, man. Pretty cool. Pretty fucking cool, man. Let me straighten this shit up. Great vlog, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Sick tattoos. Thanks. Thanks, man. Thanks. Nah, yeah, I do like them. I was gonna get some more, but I think, my favorite one's got to be the TRLS tattoo. You literally cannot compete with the TRLS tattoo. Chat, join the GeoGuessr if you want to play. What a stream, by the way, today. Super entertaining, but also extremely educational. And on top of that, we got a position, right? So a bit more excitement. We have, woo. Who's this guy? That's not me. If you tried to make it look like me as well, it's kind of crazy. That's actually racist. Just because a white guy with brown hair doesn't mean it looks like me, man. Racism at its finest. $10 million. 23 baby mother. Wait, no, 23 babies, 22 baby mother. Real bad man. Chat. Start it up, man. I'm gonna beat you all. I have to beat you all. It never says the fucking place name here. I'm gonna say it's like somewhere like this. Peru. I never get the South American ones right, ever. Ever. Great vlog, bro. Thank you, GG. I appreciate it, brother. Where are we? Low-key, this could be Cyprus, but I think it's a bit too big for it. This could literally be anywhere. I'm gonna have to stick it somewhere in Europe. Oh my days, I'm actually the best. North Macedonia. Insane. North Macedonia. Chat, what if we just make a quick milli? Right here, right now. Where is this? I feel like this could be like, I'm gonna have to send to Germany on this one, I think. Somewhere like this. Like there. Why is it always Lithuania? Can someone please tell me that? If I lose this, I'm actually going to crash out. Joshua block style. Oh my days. Bro, these ones are so difficult and it just sticks you in the absolute middle of buttfuck nowhere. Alright, I reckon it's going to be like... This looks pretty deserty, you know? It could be Argentina, to be fair. I'm going to leave it there, though. Oh, get smoked. Yeah, man. What a W. That's put me in the lead. You guys getting smoked. Oh, come on, son. Oh. Could it be? Could it be? Oh, so close, man. I'll still take the W, but I just wanted it to be Cyprus so bad. All right. I'll take the win, man. Get smoked, all of you. You deserve it. You silly. No, I'm joking. But look, that was the stream from today, man. I'm going to go get some. I'm going to go hit the gym and then get some sleep, I think. Look, chat, I'll catch you guys in the next one, yeah? Have a great rest of your day. If you're trading, trade responsibly. Be very careful. It's pretty whack PA right now. But yeah, look, I'll see you guys in the Discord. If you're in there, I'll be active. Otherwise, make sure you pull up tomorrow morning in the Discord for Tom's stream, right? It's going to be a banger. And then obviously I'll be after that. So yeah, other than that, chat, catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye-bye.